Okay, welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. Today is 25th of October 2023. My name is Adam Rosman. I will be your host today. And as usual, we can skip introductions because we have no new participant. And as for reminders, please note that the meeting is recorded. If you want to help the project grow and improve, please check out on the project level all the issues that have help wanted tags. We have quite a few and all help is appreciated. And if you watch this recording later and you feel that your organization would benefit from adding itself as an adopter, that would be a big help. You just need to create a PR and modify the content of the Metal3 docs adopters.md, so the Metal3 docs repo adopters.md file. Recently, we had two new adopters, which is a great news, and it helps the project progress. If you feel that your PR has some test issue that is not completely explainable by your changes, then feel free to add this add your PR to the Metal3 CI tracker project. You can do it on the right side of the PR. I will show an example because I've never shown the example, I believe. So you have the pull request, you go there, and on the right side, you will see the Metal3 CI tracker. You just click that, and this will be visible for all the CI maintainers like this. It will appear for us, and we can track that. And then, if you are interested about our progress towards incubation, you can read the incubation proposal by clicking the following link. This is shared with you if you are registered to the email list or the mailing list. And if you are registered to the mailing list, you have access to edit, comment, read, do anything you want with this. And this will be the proposal that we will submit. And then a reminder from me. So these were general reminders, and the reminder from me is, please, whoever has approval rights in the ironic image repository, please approve my change. This is the introduction of custom IPXC firmware support. This is a new feature that has been discussed a lot, accepted by everyone, has been reviewed, LGTM'd, and it is sitting there for a long time. So, and have passed the CI and everything. So please review this, because I have two other changes that rely on this one. So I cannot progress with those. Those are also pushed up and waiting for review, but I can't merge them until it's not, this one is not merged. Okay, so these were the reminders from the general reminders and the reminders from previous weeks. I have checked the participants, and we have no one from the Ironic Scalability Working Group, but I have heard this week that as before, they are still incrementally improving the fake IPA changes on the OpenDev, so work is in progress. Then on to the discussion topics. First one is from me, and this is something that we discussed a few times 2 or 3 weeks ago. Also, we discussed this, that this ironic agent image repository will be archived. There are multiple reasons we don't really use it. In upstream, there are no improvements happening on this repository, and that this is actually also forked incorrectly. So this is not what to say, like a standalone or not originate. It does not originate from the Metal3 IO project. This is forked from Dimitri's own project, but this is kind of like a failed project or an unused project. So we will just deprecate this. We can check the commits, and you can see that no reasonable improvement was done since April of 2022. And we don't manage the releases for them. We don't do anything with it. So this has to go, and I will send an email for the mailing list, and I will also write to the Slack, and then I will give a 1 month period where people can object. But if after a month there will be no objections, I will archive it. Okay, so this was from me, and we have one review request from Himanshu. This is the non-bootable ISO. Yeah, I remember this one. Would you like to say anything about it, or it's just a general review request? I can't hear you if you speak.
His microphone is not visible.
Yeah. I see it in the Slack, in the Zoom participant view, that Zoom is not detecting your microphone. Oh, okay, I see. You will rejoin. Okay. We have time, so feel free to rejoin. But anyways, in the meantime, I have already heard about this one. I think it is also on the mailing list. And well, we personally on ESJ side or EST side, we don't have a use case for this, but it sounds okay to me. Yep. Now I can hear something.
Yeah, I was just saying that yeah, I was on leave for some time, so didn't make any updates to it. But still, like if folks can take a look and see if there are any comments they might have on this.
Yeah, sure. I can subscribe to this. Oh no, I'm subscribed, and then I have to just somehow pin this for myself because I always forget to. I will try to just remember. Yeah, I will check this. I read your. Was it an email also, right?
Right. There was also an email.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, there are a few things that I have yet to iron out, but other than that, like the general proposal wise, like if there are any doubts or any questions, like so, please do post them here.
Yep. Sure. I
Okay,
will take a
thank you.
look when I have time. Yep. Thanks. From our side, I'm thinking who should be CC'd, but it's basically me. This topic is for me, so I CC myself. Okay. Yep. And then, is there any other topic that you want to discuss? Anything you want to mention? If not, then we can check them. Triaging, as I said, there are 2 topics to triage, and one is relatively simple, and the other is not so much because I'm not sure what that is about. So the second one, I will study the second one. So this was discussed, I remember way before. So on the Slack, on community meeting, so there is this cluster class API provided by cluster API, and we can implement it in Metal3 in the CapM3 in the cluster API provider Metal3 project, and this is used to, as I understand, manage multiple clusters based on the same provider, something like that. This is something that is a reasonable request, in my opinion. The issue is very good. It points out all the things that need to be taken into consideration. So I don't really see any reason why this wouldn't be useful for us as a community. So I tend to agree with this.
Yes, I do agree.
Thanks. That's good. I think we will also put a help on this, and here this already has feature, and we will also, I think, I want to just mention Kashif and Leonard here. Just I can write. Okay. There might be a duplication, not sure. But this is a good looking issue. So if there's duplication, I might delete the other. Let me think.
I think you don't need to mention. If we find it duplicate, we just remove it, and during the removal, we give the message in that peer, that issue.
Okay.
That it will be redirect to this issue.
Okay. Good enough for me. Okay, so that was one that wasn't complicated. Then this is, so this is something that I have seen last week, and it seems that on CNCF level or on, yeah, I think it was on CNCF level. There is this security slam. I don't remember that we would have been included in the past in this, but this is they identified our project, and they even mentioned Epic Games as someone who was interested in requesting security contributions from our side, which is nice. Sure, of course there is like some sort of gift or reward that we can win, or someone, I guess, who implements the security improvements. But from this, it is not clear to me what we have to do, other than that there are these categories, and I guess these categories explain what we have to do. and they have a channel. So I guess we have to find out right now. So I'm not sure what we can learn about this. I haven't had time to look into this. Challenge designed to help creators and CNCF projects. What's the date of this? When does this start? When does this end? October 10, event virtual. Going events. So this goes from October 10 to November 4. Then okay, October 16 to November. So 16 was last week, and we got this on last week. Yeah, so that was the week when this started. And then they had a kickoff webinar. Maintenance courage, when content to get access to other resources. Yeah, this was on very short notice, and I don't think we have anyone that would be focused on this in the coming 2 weeks. Yeah, about 2 weeks, 1.5. Yeah, we don't really.
Yeah, I don't see also any anyone who can participate at this moment with this short notice. Especially some of the guys are away the vacation, so I don't know. Do we need to mark here anything?
Yeah, I would like to be responsive, so I will write some answer, because it is very nice of them that they included us. But and if I'm just wondering that.
Yeah, we can leave a nice message there.
They probably have. So they I just want to figure out what these are, because this can be a good blueprint for us for the future. What else what else is there that we have to take into consideration when it comes to security? Although knowing our big security roadmap, because like Tuomo identified a lot of things that will be improved. So we probably already covered these, but let's see what these mean. Hours, so veggies, so mechanizer. Okay, what that is. Ensure that every release in your project has been automated. Okay, we are SBOM and Pro, and yes, this budget. Okay, we are working on this. So that was one. And you all know that we work on the BMO release and Ironic image release and all this good stuff. So this is not something that we will completely finish in this short period of time. But we are progressing with it. So then the Defender, quite funny names, the Defender. To achieve this badge, you must account for each of your project repository with CLO monitor and ensure that the proper checks it assigned to each. Your efforts should aim to bring the security score up to, okay, so we have to just align ourselves with a static checker, yet another static checker, and then the cleaner. This doesn't seem to be actually that unachievable. It's just that maybe not until November 4th. Elevate your project's non-security scores. What's this CLO monitor? Oh, do you see, by the way, what I'm saying? I hope I haven't changed window. Do you see this
Yeah, I can see.
cleaner? Yeah, okay, good, good.
Yeah, yeah.
Cleaner, okay. Let's see,
I
what's
think
this?
some kind of tools which monitors the security
Yeah,
vulnerabilities or something.
here it is. And then there are like open source projects. Okay, that's nice
Yeah.
and all. We cannot
In our
destroy.
in our case, I think we are mostly using this. I think OVS scanner to check
Yeah.
any vulnerabilities of this kind of things.
Yeah, that looks cool. I mean, this UI looks cool. I like it, but there are a few projects, few Argo, Armada, few familiar names. No, okay, it's cool, but this other than the first one, this mechanizer it looks good, but we already work on that. So, but it's way more complicated than just 2 weeks. Okay, I will answer something. Okay. It's good. I won't, I don't think I will accept this because I won't say that we participate on behalf of the team, and we discussed that this is not something that we can do on this short notice. Should I put something on this? Triage, unresolved duplicates. I think I will just leave it. Oh, no, I need to put here something. First, I need a question because this was a question, and then yes, and then do we have security? Oh, and then what else can I put here? Let's put here unresolved. Okay. Yeah, so is there any comments on this? Do you have any idea about this, or I don't know, do you know someone who might be interested in participating? Okay, if not, then I think that was the triaging. Okay, so these were the two issues that we had to triage. Any other comments, questions, suggestions that we should take a look at? Or okay, if nothing, then thank you for your time, and I wish you a nice rest of the day and week, and we will meet next week. And until then, have a good time. Bye bye.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.